How to download and install Apache OpenOffice. Hello everyone, and let's get started. Apache OpenOffice is an open source office productivity software suite developed by Apache Software Foundation. It includes various types of programs such as word processing, spreadsheets, presentation, graphics, databases, and much more. It is similar in functionality to other Office suites like Microsoft Office and LibreOffice. This suite typically consists of Writer, Calc, Impress, Draw, Base, and Maths. So it is free to download and use. If you do not know how to download and install the Apache OpenOffice, first of all, open any of your browser. Search for Apache OpenOffice and click on the first link provided by OpenOffice. Once you tap on it, it will take you to another page for the home page and the description. Click on the second option which says I want to download Apache OpenOffice. Once you tap on it, you can select from different kinds of operating system and download the full installation. So click on the drop down menu and choose your Windows section. Click on the language and choose the version. It is beneficial to choose the very first or the latest release. Now tap on download full installation and it will download .exe file. Extract all the folders and then you have to click on .exe application. Launch the application which will include all the installation process and you're good to go. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.